onboard computers have the vehicle?
T-minus 45 seconds.
Configuring pre-press.
TVC motion is good.
Pressing tanks. Helium checkout ended.
T-minus 30 seconds.
First stage at pressure.
T-minus 20.
Stage 2 at pressure.
T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stage 1.
Liftoff.
We have MLO.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9. Falcon 9 has cleared the towers.
Pitch kick.
7 plus count on the countdown net. And securing on net A, please.
Gravity turn.
First stage propulsion is performing nominally.
We have collimator lock on both stages and power systems are go.
Guidance is nominal. The vehicle is at 440 meters per second inertial speed. Altitude 3 kilometers.
As Falcon 9 ascends into the atmosphere, we're getting a little bit of audio trouble from the launch site. The vehicle is quickly approaching its max Q, where its increasing speed and the atmospheric density create the maximum resistance to the vehicle's flight. After max Q, the forces acting on the vehicle will decrease dramatically, and the vehicle will continue to gain speed substantially. As the atmosphere thins, the exhaust plume will begin to expand greatly and take on a darker color as the lack of oxygen prevents afterburning of the plume.
Guidance nominal.
Approaching MECO 2.
And we have state separation. And state separation is confirmed.
MVAC chamber ignition confirmed.
And we have a clean stage separation and the second stage ignition. The Merlin vacuum engine has begun lifting the second stage and dragging into orbit. As you saw, there were several stiffening rings on the MVAC nozzle expansion skirt that fell away as designed.
The vehicle has an inertial velocity of 3,500 meters per second, altitude of 140 kilometers. Let's turn off IREX.
MVAC is performing nominally.
Yep, back on. Guidance is nominal.
And we have nominal avionics operation at this point.
Stage 2 and MVAC engine performing nominally.
As the second stage continues its flight, you will see one of the roll control actuators wiggle back and forth on the center of the screen. That's simply the vehicle correcting its trajectory as it continues to orbit.
Second stage continues to perform nominally.
Second stage avionics looking nominal. And we have telemetry lock.
Guidance is nominal. The vehicle is currently traveling at 4,000 meters per second at an altitude of 189 kilometers.
And this is prop, still performing nominally. Both stage and MVAC performing nominally.
New Hampshire station has acquired.
As expected, the radiatively cooled expansion nozzle of the
And second
engine
stage avionics
is glowing red
power
hot,
systems are
and in some
working
places
nominal.
even
We
white.
have nominal
This is
telemetry lock.
expected, and it is designed to operate just like our Falcon 1 vehicle.
Second stage is preparing to trim propellants.
Pump house is good.
MVAC actively trimming, performing nominally.
And we have second stage telemetry lock, and power systems are nominal.
Guidance is still nominal. Vehicle is currently traveling at almost 5,000 meters per second at an altitude of 239 kilometers.
New Hampshire telemetry is cleaned up.
MVAC and second stage are performing nominally.
LC, we got grass fires all the way by the hangar. South camera.
Propulsion is performing nominally.
Guidance nominal.
And avionics systems are nominal.
Second stage and MVAC performing nominally.
We have nominal avionics operation and telemetry lock.
Guidance is nominal.
As the vehicle is approaching the horizon, as viewed from the launch site, we may lose video signal,
And
or it
this
may
is
become
prop, we're
degraded.
at 1 minute of nominal SECO 1 time. MVAC and the second stage continue to perform nominally.
Vehicles in turbo guidance. The vehicle's at an inertial velocity of 7,000 meters per second at 256 kilometers altitude.
Second stage is approaching SECO 1. MVAC still performing nominally. And engine shutdown.
Falcon 9 Stage 2 and the Dragon Capsule are now in orbit around the Earth.
And with the shutdown of the second stage engine, SpaceX's Falcon 9 has achieved Earth orbit.
Stage 2 attitude control system is now active. During coast, second stage will perform a series of settling thruster and propellant tank.